Hello everyone, welcome to Glitch Sip. In this video, I'm going to teach you how we're going to be able to farm Netherite inside Minecraft in a fairly easy way. What we're definitely going to need in this case is dirt. Any dirt, it doesn't matter, and apart from that, we're going to need fire resistance potions, so we can do this without burning ourselves. Now, what we can do in this case is go to an area with lava, and when we're inside that lava area, what we're going to have to do is the following. We're simply going to place the dirt like this, and they're hitting me, well, it doesn't matter. Place the dirt like this, and place one more here, basically completing a small path. Then we're going to remove the one that's in this area, and we'll be able to see that something like this is formed. Now, what we're going to have to do is get right into this spot and try to move forward. As you can see, this part kind of bugs out and lets us see for short moments, in a transparent way, the area we're pointing at, the area we're looking at. As you can see, this is something pretty easy to do, and we're going to be able to use this bug to know where Netherite is. Obviously, this area is very large. Ideally, you should do this in places where there isn't so much lava, because this is already too much lava. But in this way, we'll be able to see where the Netherite is located. The same thing can be done in Java, but in Java, it works much better. So we're going to make a small cut here. We're in Bedrock right now, and like I said, we're going to go to Java, and I'm going to show you how it's done. And as I was saying, in Minecraft Java, it works the same way. We make the small path, we also place a block here so it stays like this, and one block on top. And now we're going to be able to see absolutely all the places where Netherite might be. As you can see, it looks much better here than in Minecraft Bedrock. But well, it's a trick you can use to get Netherite. And well, that would be everything. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Glitch Sip, leave a like if it helped you, and I'll see you in the next video.